Hello and welcome to Hard Way Learning. Today we're going to roll the fenders to fit these 25 mil offset wheels on here. The first step I'm doing here is obviously jacking the car up. Then I want to take the suspension out, which is two 14 millimeter bolts on the top there, and then a 17 millimeter bolt right there, and we're right up right there. 14 mil bolt on the top. Now we gotta get this bolt out of the bottom. Yeah. There we go. So in order to get at the long bolt of the top A-arm, in order to get this stock suspension out, we're gonna need to take the flash guard off the bottom of here, which is a smattering of 10 millimeter bolts. Electric Joe really makes the job a lot easier. So in order to get that off, it's two 17 mil. Just kidding, it's something bigger than that. All right, so in order to get this long bolt off, put a crescent wrench on this end, both 21 millimeters. We've got to get our little condenser bar out here. Truly. We should be able to adjust the height of the suspension travel freely. Test. So we did some test fitting, and with the suspension compressed all the way up, it really seems like the tire is going to clear the fender. The only questionable spot is this bolt that holds the fender liner right here. So we're just going to take that guy out and then sort of hammer that up a little bit, and hopefully that'll clear the tire enough. And we do have a little bit of rubbing on the fender liner, but I'm hoping that really won't hit much unless you're really getting into a corner. And you know, as long as the tire is just rubbing plastic, it shouldn't be a huge issue. So we'll take that bolt out.
Buttercup?
We're gonna buy an impact for you. You know? Yeah. You don't want to do this. Okay, it'll work.
So now that we've got this tab kind of out of the way and the bolt out of the way, I think we should be able to clear it with this 25mm offset wheels, 15x8 stretched with 205s. We're really not worried about the fender too much, so we can pull our long bolt back out and get our suspension back in. But take the long bolt out, lets you get the suspension down far enough to clear it with the strut here.